that in some cases, a lot of times what people do is they make excuses because they don't want to do self-work. And I know people, and they say, well, I'm going to go to this city, Atlanta, New York, because ain't nothing going on here. But a lot of times those are people that have really not even put in any work. And so they're looking at LA, Atlanta, New York as if it's this fairy tale land of Oz type place, and you can just go somewhere and things are just gonna magically happen. Well, no matter where you're at, you're gonna have to put in some work. You got to believe in yourself, you got to be disciplined, and you're gonna have to make things happen. I don't care where you're at. What you have is enough. So I'm always careful about people that say, well, I'm just gonna go here, and they think stuff is gonna magically happen, but they haven't even done any work. A lot of times you can go to another place, and sometimes these markets are saturated, and you just a little guppy in a big giant ocean of competition. No matter where you're at, it's gonna take you to believe in yourself and to put in some work. There's no magical solution. Now, that's one way. Now, another way is sometimes people need to get out of their familiar zone, because sometimes that comfortable familiarness is your dead zone. So some people do need to change the scenery. They need a whole new set of friends. They need a whole new set of associates. They need to really get serious, because sometimes being home or being around everybody that you know can be killing you, because you might not be disciplined enough to block out those people. So in that case, you need to change your environment. So it really depends on you and depends on your situation. But either way, it's gonna require you to do self-work, right? You have to have some personal development and professional development in whatever industry that you're going in. You cannot evade the work. So no matter where you're at, what you have is enough to get started and get exactly what you want.